Hello everyone, today we're diving into the exciting world of how to set up home office. Our homes, once solely for relaxation and personal time, have now become multifunctional spaces, playing host to our professional lives as well. Creating a functional and inspiring workspace within our four walls is more important than ever. In the course of this video, we'll guide you through the process, step by step. From assessing your space and needs, selecting the ideal location, choosing the right furniture, to organizing cables and power strips. We'll then move on to personalizing your workspace, ensuring proper lighting, creating a functional setup, investing in technology, and finally establishing a routine. Each of these steps are designed to help you create a home office that not only meets your professional needs but also inspires you to be your most productive self. Ready to transform your workspace? Let's get started. The first step in creating your home office is assessing your space and needs. It's the foundation for shaping a workspace that truly complements your work style and promotes productivity. Start by looking around your home. Identify the spaces that could potentially transform into a productive work area. Consider factors like natural light availability. A well-lit room not only enhances your mood but also reduces eye strain. Next, let's talk about room dimensions. A spacious room is ideal, but you'd be surprised what you can do with a small space with some clever planning. It's all about maximizing what you have. Also, think about potential distractions. This could be anything from a busy street outside your window to a loud refrigerator humming in the next room. Lastly, jot down your specific work needs. Do you require a large desk for drafting plans or maybe a quiet corner for video calls? Once you've identified your needs, it's time to choose the perfect location for your office. Location is key in creating a productive workspace. Let's dive right in and start exploring what makes a location suitable for your home office setup. First and foremost, consider the proximity to natural light. A workspace near a window can be a game changer. It not only provides a pleasant view but also improves mood and productivity. However, if windows aren't an option, don't worry. We'll tackle lighting in a later scene. Next on the list is noise level. You'll want a location that's sheltered from household noise and distractions. A quiet corner in a less trafficked room could be a perfect choice. Finally, think about the overall comfort of the space. Is there enough room to move around? Can you see yourself spending several hours a day in this spot? Comfort is key, so choose a location that feels good to you. With the right location, you're one step closer to your dream home office. Furniture plays a crucial role in your office setup. It not only affects the aesthetics of your workspace but also has a significant impact on your productivity and comfort. Let's start with the chair. Since you'll be spending hours sitting, it's worth investing in a comfortable, ergonomically designed chair that supports your back and promotes proper posture. Next up, the desk. Opt for a spacious desk that accommodates your computer, essential office supplies, and leaves room for jotting down those brilliant ideas. A clutter-free workspace can do wonders for your concentration. Don't forget storage. Adequate storage solutions keep your workspace organized and efficient. Consider options like filing cabinets, desk drawers, or even wall shelves. Choosing ergonomic furniture is not merely about comfort, it's about promoting a healthy work environment. So look for adjustable chairs and desks, keyboard trays and monitor stands to keep everything at eye level and reduce strain. Once you've selected your furniture, it's time to tackle cable management. A tidy workspace is a productive workspace, and when it comes to tidying up, managing cables and power strips is a game changer. With a plethora of devices in our home offices, it's easy for cables to become a tangled, chaotic mess. But fear not, there are efficient ways to tackle this challenge. Start by unplugging and untangling all your cables. Lay them out and sort them by type and length. Now let's bring in some handy tools. Cable clips are a fantastic way to keep your cables in check. They're easy to use and can quickly turn a jumbled mess into neatly aligned cords. Now, for those bulky power strips. Consider using cable sleeves. These nifty contraptions not only keep cables together but also hide them from plain sight, contributing to a clean, uncluttered workspace. Remember, a well-organized workspace reduces distractions and increases productivity. With a neat workspace, you're ready to personalize your office. Your office should inspire you. Indeed, a workspace that reflects your personality can stimulate creativity and productivity. It's not just about having a professional setup, it's also about making the space your own. Adding personal touches to your home office can transform it from a mundane room to a vibrant workspace. Consider hanging artwork that resonates with you. It could be a painting, a sketch, or even a photo of a beloved memory. Art can serve as a constant source of inspiration throughout your workday. Plants can also breathe life into your office. Not only do they purify the air, but they also add a splash of color to your surroundings. Choose a plant that suits your style and the light conditions of your workspace. Don't forget about other decorative elements that can brighten your day. Maybe it's a collection of your favorite books, a unique desk lamp, or a quirky calendar. Now that your office reflects your personality, let's ensure you have the right lighting. Lighting can make or break your productivity. It's time to shed some light on this crucial component of your home office setup. Let's start with desk lamps. Position them in a way that illuminates your workspace without creating a glare on your screen. Consider adjustable lamps that allow you to direct light where you need it most. Next, let's talk about natural light. If possible, place your desk near a window. Natural light can boost your mood and reduce eye strain. But remember, the sun moves throughout the day, so use blinds or shades to control the amount of light coming in. Finally, the color temperature of your light sources matters. For optimal productivity, opt for cooler bluish-white light during the day to mimic daylight and keep you alert. As the day winds down, transition to warmer yellowish light to signal your body it's time to relax. With the proper lighting, you're set to create a functional office setup. A functional setup is key to a productive home office. Now that you've selected your space, furniture, and organized your cables, it's time to arrange your workspace for maximum efficiency. And this is where the magic happens. Remember, your office should work for you, not against you. So let's start by placing the computer, the heart of your workspace. Ideally, it should be at a comfortable viewing distance, with the top of the monitor at or slightly below eye level. If you're using a laptop, consider investing in a laptop stand or use books to elevate it to the right height. Next, place your keyboard and mouse. They should be within easy reach, and your arms should be relaxed when you're using them. An adjustable keyboard tray can be a great addition to ensure comfort and prevent strain over long working hours. Now let's talk about the phone. If you're frequently on calls, the phone should be within arm's reach. If you're using a mobile phone, a dedicated stand can help keep it in view and accessible. And then come the tools. Are you a graphic designer needing a drawing tablet, a writer requiring notebooks and pens, or a coder who needs multiple screens? Whatever your work demands, ensure the tools you use the most are within easy reach. Also, keep in mind the prime real estate of your desk, the space right in front of you. This area should be reserved for the items you use frequently. It's also worth considering a dedicated space for personal items like a water bottle, a coffee cup, or even a snack. Staying hydrated and nourished can also boost your productivity. Lastly, don't forget about cable management. Make sure the cables from your devices are neatly tucked away. This not only makes your workspace look tidy, but also makes it safer and more efficient. Remember, everyone's needs are unique, so don't be afraid to tweak this setup to fit your work style. The goal is to create a workspace that makes you feel comfortable, focused, and ready to take on the day's tasks. Now that your office is set up, let's discuss the technology you'll need. The right technology can boost your productivity. With the evolution of digital tools, it's become easier than ever to work from virtually anywhere. But what tech should you invest in for your home office? First, you need a reliable computer. Whether it's a desktop or a laptop, choose a device that can handle your workload without slowing you down. Next, think about ergonomic peripherals. An ergonomic keyboard and mouse can make a huge difference in comfort and efficiency. After all, you'll be using them for hours on end. But don't stop there. Consider investing in a quality monitor or a second screen, especially if your work involves multitasking. A good pair of headphones can also be a game changer, particularly if you're in a noisy environment or if your work requires a lot of video calls. And let's not forget about reliable internet connectivity. A good Wi-Fi router can ensure you're always connected and ready to tackle the day. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of establishing a work routine. To maximize productivity, you need a solid work routine. Let's dive into the world of time management. This is not about being a slave to the clock, but rather mastering your time to ensure you're making the most of your work hours. Start by setting specific work hours. This could mirror your usual office hours or be tailored to your personal productivity peaks. Next, let's talk breaks. It's essential to stand up, stretch, and give your eyes a rest from the screen. Your brain needs these moments of respite to process and recharge. Try incorporating a 5-minute break every hour or so into your routine. And of course, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial. When your workday ends, truly step away from your workspace. This physical and mental separation helps to avoid burnout and keeps you motivated for the next day. And there you have it. you're ready to conquer your work from your new home office. Congratulations on creating your DIY home office setup. We've journeyed through assessing your space and needs, choosing the ideal location, and selecting furniture that's not only comfortable, but also ergonomically sound. We've tackled the often daunting task of organizing cables and power strips, and we've made the space truly your own by adding personal touches. Remember, good lighting is key to a productive workspace, and we've set up your space to be functional and efficient. We've also considered the technology you'll need and how to create a work routine that suits your lifestyle. Now it's your turn to implement these tips and create a workspace that inspires and motivates you. We'd love to see your newly designed home offices, so don't hesitate to share your creations with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement and organization content. Until next time, happy working.